So we have done BMR feed plant at Damavaram, Nellore. This is the final product what we have received after designing, okay? And I'll go through how the design process happened. So what is feed plant? Feed plant is meant to produce a feed for the aquaculture, that is for the fish and prawns. And this material, so the main ingredients are soya, maize, and animal protein. So this material is poured into a hopper at ground level, and it goes through the conveyor, and it will be shifted to the top level of the tower, and ultimately it comes down as in a different process, like cooking, grinding. As we cook at our home, the material will also be cooked, and ultimately it becomes a pellets. That's the small granules it makes. And for fish, the feed will be, it is floating because it can go comfortably and eat, but ultimately it has to feed us, that is human beings. So that means if we give a more feed and a comfortable feed for the fish or prawns, then ultimately it feeds us. That's a human being. We are all selfish people, okay? So we are feeding ultimately to feed us. So Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat are leading in aquaculture and exporting prawns. Thereby we are getting a good foreign currency. Okay, we have done almost 15 feed plants so far, but the major are these things: Grovel feed plant, Sri Aqua, Vijay Aqua feed plant, Nexus feed plant, Pinnai feed plant, BMR feed plant, Falcon, GVC, NutriFeed, Srini Foods. So initially we go with this kind of a picture, and ultimately we end up doing like this. That means we have not taken the photograph from this. The next photographs you can see the difference. So that's a Grovel feed plant. So this is an Nexus feed plant, and the feed plant is having a lot of machinery which are heavy in nature also. So you can see the pictures. So very, very heavy machinery is also there, but we try to design as per the machinery requirement. The steel gives a lot of comfort in taking all the cutouts for the requirement of the pipes as well as hoppers. The transformation of thought process in the design of feed plant. Initially, when we started designing in 2008 for the Grovel feed plant, so machinery layout has come from China, Myong, and that machinery loading and all, after seeing that, we thought it cannot be designed in a steel structure. Then what we thought, we have designed entire structure in RCC only in 2008. So that, I mean, after that, when we designed Vijay Aqua Feeds, we have designed up to the dryer part the RCC structure. Then rest of the portion we have done with the steel structure. But later we started thinking a total structure in a steel structure only. Then we started designing with a ISMB, 2 numbers of ISMC or ISMB with a ladder, with the lacings or battens for built up columns and beams also. Then we thought of, we have changed our way of thought process. So generally these feed plants of 80 to 100 crores is the investment, the total capex. But what happens now, the industrialist has become too smart. He do not want to start the project early and finish the project in time. Rather, he prefers to start late and finish the project in time to catch the season. Why? He will be pushing corner. And we have to understand each client's requirement and emerge as a victorious. Otherwise, what happens? You will be left behind. And the design process, what we have now designing is mostly with the ready-made sections of Jindal. UB sections we are doing. And all lacings we are trying to do with the Tata structural tubes. We are trying to marry Jindal sections with a Tata structural members. And we have changed the erection pattern also. Earlier we were erecting 12 meters and making, and again 12 meters. Now what we have done, we have asked the contractor to do 24 meters at a time, columns, with a tie beams all around. And this project we have completed start to finish in only in 10 months. This is actually to understand I'm giving you the timelines of the project also. So 10th September, this is the stage in 2015. So I was talking about the ground hopper and the receiving pit. This is the ground hopper. There the raw material is going to be poured in a hopper. From that, it will be pushed through screw conveyor to the top of the building. And 28th October 2015, this is the stage, they have just started. And the structure behind is erected by Metalscope. Metalscope person, Mr. Is already there. Yes, Mr. Joseph. Thank you. So he also, that is the same day, he also started erecting. This is the warehouse part. And in 28th December 2015, this is the stage. That means almost major erection completed in 2 months' time. Can you imagine it, where we were thinking of only RCC structure, which took around 1.5 to 2 years' time. Now we could able to complete a major erection part in 2 months with a steel structure. And there are a lot of flexibility in running the pipelines also. This is a warehouse. This is the same day we have taken. This is the other direction view. And this is a warehouse on that particular day. This is almost, the roofing is done. Color also we have chosen in such a way. It's a Taurus blue, it is called. So it was giving a very good look. And these kind of a machinery and hoppers will be installed within the building. So this is a machinery erection progress. In 1 month's time, almost they have completed. And the machinery, they got it from Buller. Buller is a Switzerland company, but the all making has been done in China. And they brought the machinery, and those people, China people, they charge for erection purpose dollars per day, per hour also they charge. That's the reason they want to complete in a very short, limited time. They have completed almost erection part in 1 month's time. So these are the heavy machinery. Earlier we were thinking, oh, this kind of a machinery, how can we support on a steel structure and all. But later we learned over a period of time how to design and how to support these kind of a machinery also. This is the finishing stage on 21st February 2016. And they have taken trial runs and a completion stage of the project, that is 19th April 2016. So they have taken all the feed plant trial runs and they have stacked that. And this is the tower. We are able to see inside the warehouse also. And those K bracings, if you are looking at, these are members of the Tata structure. I am talking about structure. So we could able to, control the sway, because all around we have given a bracings like this. and finally inaugurated 18th June 2016. Only 10 months, 80 crores is the investment, and production in 2 to 3 years, in 2 years, especially for the BMR plant, in 2 years they got a break even because they have a good marketing support. 2 years, just 2 years, they got a 80 crores profit. They are the Mr. Ravichandra, he is the owner, and BMR is his brother-in-law, B. Mastan Rao. So he is Mr. Ravi Pelluru, he is the CEO of that company. So this is the stage and the inauguration date. Oh, now we thought the project is over and live happily ever after. Then, but the sequel started. Okay, now they wanted a, because they got the profit, they want to utilize more. BMR 2, like a Bahubali 2. And this is the again BMR 2 project on 12th September 2017 they started. I mean, this is the stage. And the erection, at a time 24 meters I asked them to do. They are doing it. And this is what the erection happened. 24 meters, at a time they could able to erect it because we are using Jindal sections where you can see all Jindal section. At a bottom level we have given one plates also. I mean, because the load and the moments are also we have to control. And later we have given a simple structure with the connections. And this is very advantageous. They don't need to fabricate at all, only cleats. And wherever the connection details are there, they have to do the plating, that's all. I mean, they will do the, as per the machinery requirement, all the cutouts have been made. This is inauguration stage of BMR 2 project and 21st August 2018. Now, this is complete. 2 towers, it is standing tall, just adjacent to the national highway from Vijayawada to Chennai. So, this is what the aerially it is going to look like. We have given the presentation like this, but ultimately this is the stage. Thank you very much.